Hey guys, it's Deepak Shukla here. So I want to walk you through what I'm seeing on the investments that I've got into 3 of the trading bots that we have. So one of them is on MT4. If I go ahead and just log in, you'll see as an example, it's £2,300 at the moment. And if I go into here today, £73. In the last week, £1,100. Now I made a withdrawal of 531, as you can see, but the returns have been nothing short of incredible. If we go to the last 3 months, you'll see that the total profit generated has been £2,173. The total deposit was £1,000 plus. Pew Prime currently give you a credit balance of £1,000, which is really kept on account to allow more drawdowns or to protect the account, depending upon which way you look at it. So yeah, the returns have been nothing short of incredible. In the last 6 weeks, I've been able to return 100% of my actual capital. And now the money that's there is just trading based upon profit. So this is, as you can see, Bitcoin to USDT. We've got over 1,500 trades which are in here, and the win rate is around 73%, I think, at last check. So this is on Bitcoin, okay? Now, that's been running for maybe, let's say, 6 weeks. Now, if we go into here, this is our broker that we work with is Aaron. They're a regulated broker with a license in Mauritius. This was originally a £10,000 account, and I have already withdrawn around, let's say, £500 from memory. So let's just assume it's £1,200. So this has made a 20% return in maybe the 4 to 6 months that I've been involved in this. It currently has a drawdown of £1,600 with a free margin of around 10,000%. So if we look again at the history and look at the custom period, let's just go to the last 3 months. In fact, the last 3 months has made a profit of £2,728. As you can see, I made a withdrawal, in fact, of £400. So the profits on this have been incredibly impressive. This is on a £10,000 balance, and as you can see, it's still generating around a 20% return. Similar things with the gold copier that we've got here. If we have a look at the last 3 months, you can see it's been £1,790. And again, if we look at the drawdown, it's £336, extremely manageable, margin levels of 23,000%, or as you can see, £11,447. So these are the ultimately 3 algos that we have on hand at the moment. The returns are, as you can see, based upon the trade accounts that we've got there. And this is what we are recommending to our clients. We trade our own money. We actively work on ultimately the bots that we built out for you. We have a range of developers that we actively work with to build out the bots, and we use that in conjunction with developers as well as, of course, traders who are extremely experienced. It's a managed service. The returns are at the moment fantastic. Of course, always invest at your own risk, but I wanted to share with you the fact that this is direct live accounts. They're not demo accounts, and these are the returns that we're seeing. Thank you.